Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Sainsbury discount card. So in order to use Sainsbury's discount card, you just have to follow these simple steps. So you can use it in store or online. Now some coupons can be used both online and store. Now these coupons can be easily identified at the state used online or in store on the coupon. And if you want to use a coupon online, you can find these coupon in your coupon wallet as long as your account is linked to the Nectar card number stated on the front of the coupon when you log into your online groceries account. Now you can also use it as an e-voucher. Now e-voucher is a 12-digit code consisting of number and uppercase letter which can be entered on the website to receive a discount for an online grocery order. You can remember to click add voucher at the checkout and this will be deducted from a total of your order. So these are some of the ways to use Sainsbury discount card online. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.